remake of Holly Still Crying. I just found out we don't have time to do it again, I'm afraid. Yeah. You may think I'm a bit mad, but honestly, it's well worth it. And thank you for watching. I know you think I'm mental, but just remember, I do this for a joke, okay? Not to be nasty, just for a joke. Cheers, 66 rowboats.